Hello everyone, this is number 6, CountBlank function. Okay, so in this video, you guys all will be learning about the CountBlank function. This function is a function that counts blank cells only. Let's see, let me just show you out. Let's say equal, and in the last video we learned count A and count function. Count A and count function. This is count A. Yeah. So what happened? Has none. So count blank. This function is named. So if you want to count blank, let me show you real fast. And now click enter. 195 cells they were. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe and hit the notification bells. And bye. BT, Best Television.